Hi there. I've just got two beautiful ingredients from my garden, the lemons and mint. They both smell. The mint, it's so refreshing. And the lemon, especially when you've just taken it from the tree, you know, it's amazing. It's got such a beautiful texture about it, you know. You could smell, it's the minerals that you smell. So I've just boiled some water, had it sitting there in my kettle for a while, and it's really starting to cool down. So I put a couple of squidges of lemon and some mint. I put a little bit more lemon. Oh.